In the age where artificial intelligence, also known as AI, seeps through nearly every aspect of our lives, its influence on historical research and interpretation cannot be overlooked. As historians look into the records of the past, they confront a landscape reshaped by the capabilities and limitations of AI technology. While AI holds immense promise for unlocking new insights and perspectives within historical narratives, it also poses significant challenges and risks to the integrity of historical scholarship. This video explores the complex relationship between AI and history, shedding light on the potential threats AI poses to the field while also outlining strategies for historians to navigate these challenges effectively. From the manipulation of historical data to the extension of biases and the emergence of sophisticated forgeries, AI presents a range of obstacles that demand careful consideration and proactive measures from researchers. Drawing upon primary sources and scholarly insights, in this video we take a look into the reasons why AI is regarded as a threat to history, examining how algorithms can distort historical narratives, amplify biases, and compromise the authenticity of historical records. Furthermore, we stress the importance of rigorous source verification in historical research, emphasizing the need for historians to adopt extra measures to validate their sources and mitigate the risks associated with AI-generated data and analysis. By shedding light on the complexities of the AI history nexus and providing practical guidance for navigating this terrain, this video aims to equip historians with the knowledge and tools necessary to uphold the integrity and authenticity of historical scholarship in an increasingly digital age. As we embark on this exploration, we invite listeners to join us in grappling with the complicated interplay between technology and the preservation of our shared human history. Now, AI presents several potential threats to history, particularly in the realm of historical research and source verification. However, here are 5 threats I've come across during this research. 1. Manipulation of data. AI algorithms can be used to manipulate historical data, altering documents or artifacts to fit a certain narrative or agenda. This manipulation can lead to distorted interpretations of historical events. 2. Bias amplification. AI systems, if trained on biased datasets, can perpetuate and even amplify historical biases. This can result in skewed interpretations of past events, reinforcing stereotypes or marginalizing certain groups. 3. Forgery detection challenges. As AI technology advances, so too do the capabilities of forgers to create convincing fake historical documents or artifacts. Historians must be vigilant in detecting these forgeries to ensure the integrity of historical records. 4. Privacy concerns. AI-powered data analysis techniques may inadvertently expose sensitive personal information from historical documents, raising ethical and privacy concerns, especially when dealing with archival materials. And 5. Loss of context. AI algorithms may lack the ability to interpret historical context accurately, leading to misinterpretations of documents or artifacts. Historians may carefully contextualize the information provided by AI systems to avoid misrepresentations of the past. Now, given these potential threats, historians and researchers should take extra steps to verify their sources. So here are 5 steps that I have found and that I believe should be taken by historians like myself. Number 1, cross-referencing. Comparing information from multiple sources to validate its accuracy and reliability, especially when using AI-generated data or analysis. 2. Expert analysis. Consulting subject matter experts to evaluate the authenticity and context of historical materials, particularly when dealing with complex or disputed sources. 3. Digital forensics. If you're able, employing advanced techniques such as digital forensics to detect alterations or manipulations in digital historical records, helping to ensure their integrity. 4. Critical thinking. Encouraging critical thinking and skepticism when interpreting historical data, particularly when relying on AI-generated analysis or interpretations. 5. Transparency. Being transparent about the limitations and potential biases of AI technologies used in historical research, while also documenting the methodology and process of source verification for transparency and reproducibility. In the ever-evolving landscape of historical scholarship, The integration of artificial intelligence presents both opportunities and challenges that demand careful consideration and proactive engagement. As we have explored throughout this video, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way historians analyze, interpret, and present historical data, offering new avenues for discovery and understanding. However, alongside these opportunities lie significant risks to the integrity and authenticity of historical narratives. From the manipulation of historical data to the perpetuation of biases and the proliferation of sophisticated forgeries, AI poses multifaceted threats that necessitate robust strategies for source verification and critical analysis. Historians must remain vigilant in cross-referencing information, consulting subject matter experts, and employing advanced techniques such as digital forensics to detect alterations or manipulations in historical records. Moreover, fostering transparency and critical thinking within the historical community is essential for navigating the complexities of the AI history nexus. By openly acknowledging the limitations and potential biases of AI technologies, historians can foster a culture of skepticism and inquiry that safeguards against the uncritical acceptance of AI-generated analysis or interpretations. Ultimately, as stewards of our collective past, historians bear a profound responsibility to uphold the integrity and authenticity of historical scholarship in the face of technological advancement. By embracing the opportunities afforded by AI while also confronting its inherent challenges, historians can harness the power of technology to enrich our understanding of the past, ensuring that the stories we tell are grounded in truth, nuance, and complexity. In doing so, we honor the richness and diversity of human experience, preserving our shared history for generations to come. Thank you for joining me on this journey through AI. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it. And while you're here, go ahead and royally hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep loving history and stay curious.